I'm going to show you how to generate unlimited content for Instagram using AI and grow your Instagram account to 5,000 plus followers in just 30 days. After you watch this video, you will see exactly how I'm going to do this. So allow me to go ahead and dive in right now. The tool that I'm going to use to do this is called PLR Robot. So PLR Robot is an AI tool that allows you to generate all types of content. Everything from Instagram posts to blog posts to video ideas and more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dive right in and show you exactly how this is done. So let's say that I wanted to create an Instagram post to inspire people to start a side hustle to leave their job. I'll just type in the post topic right here. I put start a side hustle to leave your job. So after I type that in, I'm gonna click write for me. There we go. Look at the post. Are you feeling stuck in your job and ready to take the leap to start your own side hustle? It's time to take control of your career and start building something that you are passionate about. With the right mindset and a few simple steps, you can start your own side hustle and leave your job behind. Hashtag side hustle, hashtag startup, hashtag entrepreneur. But that's the post itself. So what I would do with the post is I could just simply copy it, go over to somewhere like Canva, grab me a little Canva template, and I can just paste it on Canva just like that. If I didn't want that much text, I can shorten it up if I want to, but I see a lot of Instagram accounts, they got 300,000 or 400,000 followers that's basically putting out story type posts like this to inspire people instead of just little short, cute quotes. So the longer the better a lot of times because it really connects with the audience even more. So that's the post itself. And if we go back to PLR Robot, as you can see, there's a caption as well. Ready to take control of your career and start your own side hustle? It's time to take the leap and start building something you're passionate about. So it even got a caption as well. So the beautiful thing about this is if you have an opportunity or an ebook, let's say, that's titled anything that got to do with side hustle, that teaches people how to start a side hustle, this one Instagram post right here is going to inspire your followers to click the link in your bio and purchase that ebook or join your course or whatever it may be, join your program. So that's the amazing thing about this, because this post right here is generated and is focused on, of course, people leaving their job by putting a side hustle to work. Now that's only one post right there. PLR Robot can generate many types of posts. Let's say if the topic was generational wealth or build generational wealth. Write for me. This is so powerful, it's unbelievable. I don't know if you heard about it, but Google just invested $300 million into AI. So AI is taking off like crazy. And PLR Robot is definitely the tool that, of course, is going to help you. Look at this right here. This is the post right here. Generational wealth is something that can be passed down from generation to generation, and it's something that everyone should strive for. Building generational wealth is about more than just money. It's about creating a legacy that will last for generations to come. Here are some tips to help you get started. So basically, this right here would be my post. So let me just put this right here. And you know what I would personally do? I would add some more text and put, probably already know what I'm going to put, read the caption. And after they check out the caption, this part down here is going to be my caption. My hashtags are already there. See, you got a caption for us down here, but I personally wouldn't use all of this for the post. So I would simply use this as my caption or kind of blend, the caption itself with these steps. But at the end of the day, as you can see, an entire different post was generated. Now let's erase this real quick right here and I'll show you something else. Let me show you something else. I'm going to show you also if you want to create Instagram Reels. Now this video ideas tab right here on PLR Robot is mainly for YouTube, but you can also use it for Reels as well if you're creating short videos on Instagram. So let me see. I'm going to put generational wealth. Let's see, quit your job. I'm going to just put generational wealth, quit your job, and I'm going to see what it come up with. This is extremely powerful. Text posts and video posts can be generated using PLR Robot. It's going to give me an idea. Video idea: how to create generational wealth and quit your job, a step-by-step guide. Look how amazing this is. If I was on YouTube, this would be the exact title right here, just like that. And of course, it's telling me exactly what the video is going to be about or should be about. This video would provide viewers with a step-by-step guide on how to create generational wealth and quit their job. It will cover topics such as budgeting, investing, and creating multiple streams of income. It would also provide tips on how to create a financial plan and how to stay motivated to reach their goals. Finally, it will provide resources and advice on how to make the transition from working a job to becoming financially independent. Do you see how powerful this is? So this is the thing. This is the master plan. I got the master plan over here. The first thing you want to do is you want to choose your niche. And whenever you choose your niche, you want to stick to one specific topic. So if my topic is generational wealth, I'm going to just stick with that. Then you want to choose products within your niche. Step 3 is create an Instagram account around your niche. Step 4 is generate content. Now, we already know it would take you all day long to think of posts like this yourself, but PLR Robot, I don't care if you literally want to post 1,000 times on Instagram. PLR Robot is going to generate that content for you. That is step 4. Step 5, be consistent. Consistently post. If you want to grow on Instagram organically, you want to be consistent. I can almost guarantee you that if you are posting high quality, unique generated posts like this, and use hashtags, of course, PLR Robot is going to generate the most popular and powerful hashtags about your niche. If you are doing this consistently, it's nearly impossible to not grow your account in 30 days. And it's been proven that if you be super consistent, you can literally grow your account 5,000 plus followers in a 30-day span. Okay, in step 6, I had a step 7 there, but I had to remove it because it's not a step 7. If you really want to give it a push, contact influencers. So I've talked about this before. If you contact influencers within your niche, they'll give you a boost, they'll post for you and tag your account. But at the end of the day, you'll be able to be consistent because you got consistent content flowing your way. Now, I haven't talked about PLR Robot on YouTube, but this extremely powerful AI software that we release is really next level. I personally can't get enough of it. I'm using it all day, every day. And if you want to use it, of course, you can go to plrrobot.com. It is right here on the screen to get signed up and go ahead and start using this extremely powerful tool. And there's so many other ways right here that I'm going to talk about later on in different videos. There's so many other ways to generate content. But at the end of the day, if you want to grow your Instagram account organically this year, you want to start generating posting captions using PLR Robot. Once again, I'm going to create so much more content about PLR Robot because I know how powerful this tool is. But until then, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Comment below, let me know what you thought about it. After you join, comment below and let me know that you're in. I'm going to create a whole entire community around PLR Robot so we can talk about how we are generating content to use that content to make money. Always remember, if you are creating niche targeted Instagram accounts, you want to have a link in your bio. So whenever you're generating all that amazing content, you want people to click on the link in your bio in order to, of course, make a purchase. Don't be shameful to tell people to click on the link in your bio, because if you have amazing content being generated for your account, your followers don't know that the content is being generated. They're just gaining a lot of value because the posts are so deep and so valuable. So at the end of the day, these posts are going to help your followers. And not only are they going to help them, it's going to attract new people when they sharing it and tagging friends and stuff like that. So if you want to scale your Instagram account from 0 to 5,000 plus followers within a 30-day span, you definitely want to check out PLR Robot and put it to work immediately.